Assalamualaikum children. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine at home with your family. I am Teacher Wawa. Before we start our class, let's recite doa penyerah hati first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wa syur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Okay children, let's start our class. Surah hafazan for today is Surah Al-Insyirah from Juz'u Amma. Don't forget to memorize this surah with your parents at home. Nabi Yunus alaihi salam, Nabi ke-21 daripada 25 Nabi. Nabi Yunus telah membuat keputusan untuk berdoa kepada Allah setelah ajarannya tidak diterima oleh kaum Ninawa. Akhirnya, baginda menyesal dan memohon keampunan daripada Allah. Sebab tu kita tak boleh membuat keputusan yang terburu-buru. Nanti Allah marah. Okay, we need to use this book. Now, turn to page 34. This is number 4. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to trace number 4 using pencil color. Now, turn to page 35. You need to color the big eyes of elephant and draw the small eyes for mouse. Big for elephant, small for mouse. Big, big elephant, the elephant is big. Small, small, what is small? Little rat is small. Turn to page 36. This one is practical life skill. So, you need to tick if you can do and cross if you cannot do. Turn to page 37. Okay children, for this page, you need to write your name here. Then, you need to draw a line to show how you greet your parents. For example, Assalamualaikum. Okay dear, teacher want to show you the difference of capital letters and small letters. Okay, let's start with capital letters first. Capital letters in Malay is huruf besar. For example, this one is A for capital letters and this one is A for small letters. Okay, now turn to page 38. You need to draw a line to match the capital letters and small letters. For example, A besar dan A kecil. Match like this. Till we meet again on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.